Hello guys, welcome back to Terror Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Xbox Game Passes are not launching or opening, or it is not starting, or when you're trying to use the Xbox app you're getting the error code 0xc00000005, which is happening for many of the users when they're trying to play their favorite game. They're ending up in this issue and how we can fix this app. So let's move to the workaround. The first one is all about you have to make sure that the Xbox server is fine. For that we have to go over here. So I'll be providing a link in the description. So just click on the link so that as you can see that will take you to this page. Over here as you can see under the Xbox status you can see that all the services up and running, which means it is all good. That means they are not going through any kind of outage issue or what. So if you go over here, if you find up and running, it is good to go. If you find limited over here, which means they're going through some kind of issue. If you see major outage, that means they're going through server issues and they're repairing it. But right now, as you can see, we're getting the message all services up and running, which means we are good to go. So this is what you have to do as the first step. So just open the link in the description and make sure whether the Xbox is going through any kind of server issues or not. If they're going through server issue, then this is not in our hand. This has to be fixed from the Xbox team. But right now, as you can see, this is not going through any kind of this issue. So it is good to go with the further steps. So let's move to the further step. The first one is all about we just have to disconnect the controllers. That means if a PS4, PS5 controllers are connected, and if it is Horta's wheels are connected, Logitech wheels are connected, and even wheels, joystick, etc. everything is connected. If it is already connected on the USB port, you just have to remove everything. Once you successfully disconnected it, then try to play the game, and that is going to work for you as well. Next one is all about we have to verify and repair the game file. As you can see, I'm on the Xbox app, and here I'm having the game like Hello Neighbor 2, then I'm having Minecraft Launcher, then I'm having Roblox. So when you're trying to play a game, if you're getting this error, that is 0x00000005 error, which is happening for many of the users, first select the respective game which you wanted to play. So here I'm going to show you with Hello Neighbor. So if you're trying to launch the game, you have to select the respective game which you wanted to play. So if you're trying to launch the game, select the respective game, and once after that, just go over here. We are having two options. Just go to this icon, that is 3-dot icon. Now from here go to manage. Now from here go to files, and there is an option called verify and repair. So just click on this one. So go for yes. So when you click on verify and repair, they're gonna do a cross check over here. As you can see, they're gonna do a cross check from their end, and if any files are missing and all those kind of issues, if any files are corrupted, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by using this step. So as you can see right now it is done with this, and now it is asking to play. So just launch the game and see whether the issue is solved or not. If not, that is not the case, we have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to restart the PC. Sometimes a restart can fix a lot of trouble. So just go over here in the start. Now click on this icon, go for restart. So when restart is successfully done, just try to play the game, and that is going to work for you as well. Next one is all about we have to create a desktop shortcut of the game which you wanted to play, and you have to launch the game as administrator from the desktop. So like I said, I'm going to show you an example with Hello Neighbor 2. So imagine if you're trying to play any other game, select the respective game which you're having the issue, select the respective game, then go over here on this 3-dot menu, click on this one, go for manage, and there is an option called create desktop shortcut. Just click this one. Okay, when you click create desktop shortcut, once you click on this one, just go to the desktop. Now from here you will be able to find the shortcut over here. Once you find the shortcut, so just launch the game. So I don't know why it is not there. Let me do it once again, or I'll go with this one, Minecraft. I'll go with Minecraft as well. Okay, so when you click on this one, so as you can see, the Hello Neighbor is already created. So first when I did this, it was not there. So right now it is happening. So once you create the shortcut of the game, that is Hello Neighbor, which I was trying to play from the Xbox, I was just having the crashing issue. I just have to go over here. Now from here I have to select the Hello Neighbor, right click on over here and go to show more options, go to properties. Now from here, I have to, not like this, just select the game, right click, and there is an option called Run as Administrator. Go for Run as Administrator. After you launch the game as a Run as Administrator, most probably the issue has to be fixed. Next one is all about we have to delete the Microsoft Store local cache file. For that, we need to go over here in the File Explorer, go to this PC. Now open local disk C. Now from here you have to go to Users first. Now go to the folder with your name. So here in my case it is Sal, so I have to open this. Now from here you have to find the folder named app data. You have to open this. Now from here go to local over here as you can see. Now from here we have to go to packages. So keep scrolling down and navigate to packages. Okay, so I have to open this. Right now as you can see there are many folders. From here I have to find the folder that is Microsoft.WindowStore_8key-B3D. So you don't have to worry. So you will be able to find it. So I'll be providing the correct one in the description. So there is no issue. Don't get confused. So thing is Microsoft Windows Store. So from here I have to keep scrolling down to find Microsoft Windows Store. So scroll down a little bit. So this is Microsoft Windows Store. Keep scrolling down. Over here we find Microsoft Windows. So now from here I have to find Microsoft Store. Windows Store. We have to find Microsoft Windows. So over here as you can see that is Microsoft.WindowStore_8WE key. This is the folder which you wanted to delete it. So just select this one and go for delete it. Once you're deleted this one, just go back. Now there will be another folder named local cache. So over here just go back. Now from here you have to go back once again. There is a folder like you will be able to find a folder named local cache. If you found a folder named local cache, just delete that as well. Once you delete the folder local cache, just close everything, go back over here, restart your PC and try to play the game, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. Next one is all about we have to log in with the same account on the Xbox app as well as on the Microsoft Store. So go to the Microsoft Store as well. Over here you have to go to the store as well as the Xbox. So here I have opened the Xbox as well as the Microsoft Store. Right now if you go at the top, you'll be able to find that is this is what I'm on the Microsoft view profile. If you go to this, you will be able to find this. So this is the Microsoft profile details of mine. So same way what I have to do is I just have to do like this, that what I need to do is I just have to follow the same. Now I have to go back to the store, and over here I have to make sure that I have signed with the same login details on Microsoft Store as well as on the Xbox app. It should be same. For example, if I'm using the email, it should be the same and everything should be same. So I have to log in with the same details. As you can see here in the Microsoft Store, I'm on sahalps645@gmail.com. So I have to use login with the same, but here it's not the same. So that is why I'm having the error. So make sure that when you're logging in the same details, credentials should be given to both the Xbox as well as on the Microsoft Store, so that the issue will be sorted out. If it is not, just remove everything, create the one and launch it with the same credentials. That is what you have to do. Next one is all about make sure date, time, language, region are all correct. For that we have to go over here. Now from here go to settings. From here go to time and language. Now from here go to date and time. Make sure set time automatically should be turned on, and set time zone automatically should be turned on as well. Okay, this is the first step. Make sure this is done. And the language and region, for that we just need to go back. Over here in the language and region, we have to select the respective country based on your geography. So here I'm on from India, so I have to select this one. And I'm preferring English language, so I have selected English. So select the respective language, and it should be correct. It should not be, you should not be selecting you're in India and you should not be selecting United States. Make sure the geography is according to the correspondence of your locality. So do according to this, and once after that, just go back and try to play the game as well. Next one is all about we have to install all the updates in the Microsoft Store. For that we have to go over here. Now go to the library at the bottom. Now from here, as you can see, get updates. If you click on the get updates, you'll be able to get all the updates like this. Now just click on update all. So just click on update all. So what happens is every app will be updating one by one. So just do this. So there are many apps. Once it is all done, just restart your PC as well, then try to launch the game on the Xbox, and that is going to work for you as well. Moving to the next one is all about, we have to go for update Windows. For that, go over here in the search, go to settings. Now go at the top left, scroll down to Windows Update. Now from here download and install the update. Now from here download and install, and once after that try to play the game, and that is going to work for you as well. Next one, what we need to do is we just need to search WSRESET over here. So I'll go over to the search over here. Now I'm gonna search for WSRESET. I have to open this. Now when I open this, I'll be getting a black box. By default I have to wait for it, then I'll be shooting to Microsoft Store. Now from here you just have to close this, go back and try to play the game as well. This did work out for many users as well. Next one is all about, we have to repair or reset the Xbox app as well as Microsoft Store app. For that we have to go over here in the search, go to settings. Now from here what we need to do is we just need to go to apps. Now from here go to apps and feature. Over here we have to go to install app first. Now from here we need to navigate to both, that is first I have to go to Microsoft Store. So let me go to Microsoft Store. Okay, first I need to go to Store, Microsoft. Find Microsoft Store over here as you can see. Now click on this icon on Windows 11, go to advanced option. Now from here if you scroll down, you will be getting two options, repair and reset. Go for repair first and go for reset. Once it is done, just go back. Now from here we have to find one more thing, that is just search for Xbox as well. Now search for Xbox as well. Click on this icon, go for advanced option. Now keep scrolling down and navigate to repair and reset. Go for repair and reset, and that is going to work for you as well. Next one is all about, we have to repair and reset the game, which I forgot to mention in the first. For that, go back over here. If you're trying to play the game, select the game which you wanted to play. For example, if I'm trying to play with Roblox, then what I need to do is I just have to go over here in the search, go to settings. Now go to apps. Now go to apps, installed app. Now from here I have to search for Roblox. Okay, let me search for Roblox. So I have to search for Roblox. Search for Roblox. When you go for Roblox, just click on this one, go for advanced option. So which means you have to type or search the game which you wanted to play, which is having the crashing issue. Just search it and keep scrolling down. Click on repair as well as reset. Once it is done, just close everything, go back and try to play the game as well. That is what you need to do as well. Next one is all about, we have to reset the commands in the PowerShell. So in the description, I'll be providing few commands in the description which you don't have to worry. This is the first command. So let me copy this. Okay, this is the first command. So just go to PowerShell, search for PowerShell. Now when you go for PowerShell, you have to run it as an administrator. Now paste this and press enter. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So just wait for it. So once it get completed, we need to follow the rest instruction. So just wait for it. It is getting done. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So we have to wait for it. And once it is successfully done, just restart your PC. And once after that, go back to the Xbox and try to play the game as well. So in the meantime, we'll move to the next one. Next one is we need to start all the services. Okay, we need to start all the services. For that, we need to go over here in the search. Go for services, open this. Now from here, we need to start the services like first one IP helper. So first one is IP helper. So I'll be giving these in the description. That is IP helper. So I have to keep scrolling down and I have to find IP helper. So keep scrolling down and navigate to I. So over here, as you can see, so I've just opened this, go to properties. Now over here, startup type should be automatic. And once it is done into automatic, go for apply and go for OK and open this. Next one is all about Xbox Live Auth Manager. For that, I have to keep scrolling down and navigate to over here, Xbox Live Auth Manager. I have to open this, change this to automatic, then go for start. If it is available, go for start, apply and go for OK. Next one is all about Xbox Live Gaming Services. Over here it is there, right click, go to change this to automatic, go for start. So it is going to take a little bit of time, go for apply and go for OK. Next one is all about Xbox Live Networking Services. I have to open this, right click, change this to automatic. If start is there, go for it, apply and OK. Next one is all about, we have to go for gaming services. I have to go for gaming services, navigate to G, gaming services. Okay, now open this, change this to automatic, go for OK. There is one more, so make sure this is both correct. So once it is done, just go for next one, that is Windows Update. For that we need to scroll down and navigate to Windows Update. So over here, Windows Backup, Windows Audio, keep scrolling down. Okay, Windows Update, right click, change this to automatic, go for start, apply and OK, then try to play the game. Next one, not the game, let's move to the next one, that is Microsoft Install Service. So I have to keep scrolling up to M, Microsoft Install Service. Okay, Microsoft Store Install Service, change this to automatic, go for start, apply and OK. Once it is done, you just have to close everything, restart, then try to play the game as well. So this is finished, which we done. Close this. Now try to play the game. Next one is all about, we have to go for uninstall and reinstall the gaming services. So there is one more command, that is this one. So I have to copy this. Okay, let me copy this. I have to go back over here, search for PowerShell. Now I have to run it as an administrator. Now I have to paste this command. Now I have to press enter. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Store. Now they're going to ask me to install the gaming services. I have to download and install this. If you're getting the install option, just install it. And once after that, try to play the game. That is going to work for you as well. Next one is all about, we have to install Xbox Identity Provider. So I'll be providing this. So this link can be found in the description, or you can just get in store app, which means you can open Microsoft Store. Now from here, if you get this, you just have to download it, and once after that, just try to play the game. And last and the least one is all about, go back to the Xbox over here. You just need to uninstall the game. So select the game which you are having crashing issue. Now go over here, go to there is uninstall the game. So just uninstall the game. Once after that, just search for the game once again and download it back and try to play the game. And these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out when you're having an issue with Microsoft Store. That is, when you are not able to launch the game on the Xbox Game Pass, are not launching or opening, or you're having the starting error code 0xc00000005 error, which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.